Hello everyone. The question on board is a question that comes from angles on a parallel line, which I've given you the explanation of them before. Please go and check the previous videos. All right. Now the question says, find the marked angle below. The marked angle below these parallel lines here is y, x, and a. No, angle is a space between two lines. So we are looking for the angle between these two lines, here and here, which we call y, here and here, which we call x, and here and here, which we call a. The space between them is what we are looking for and what we know as an angle. All right. Now, the coming to this place, we need to find y, x, and the z. All right. But now the only angle, the only reference angle they have given to us is this side of angle, which is 115 degrees. Okay. From the introductory part of it, which I've given to you before, now, which angle do we find here? We can now find this angle x, considering angle on a straight line. We know angle on a straight line is 180, all right? Now, this is a straight line. So the angle on a straight line is 180, okay? Therefore, addition of x and 115 will give us 180. We now say x plus 115 degrees will now give us 180. Remember, we are looking for x. Now, what do we do to get x? We subtract both sides by 115. We subtract both sides by 115. We now say x plus 115 degrees minus 115 degrees equals to 180 minus 115 degrees. Okay, we now subtract both sides because what we are trying to do is to find the value of x. Therefore, we need to eliminate this 115 in order to have only x here. What do? We now subtract both sides by 115 so that here 115 minus 115 has cancel each other. Okay, we now have only x equals to 180 minus 115. And when we subtract 115 from 180, what do we have? Now have 65 degrees. So coming to this place, this angle here is 65 degrees. We got it from the law that says that angle of a straight line is 180. All right. From alternate angle and corresponding angle I've taught you before. All right. Check the previous video. Okay. We now realize that when we cause this is a parallel lines, remember that it will have arrow to show that they are parallel. Okay. Now, if we consider this thing now, we say that from the previous explanation, we say that opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angle are equal. This is opposite angle, okay? Vertically opposite angle are equal. Since this angle here and angle here are vertically opposite, therefore y is also 65 degrees. Reason vertically opposite angle. Then this one also is the same thing with x. Reason alternate angle. The reason is alternate angle. We say that alternate angle, you look at it, this line is parallel with this. Okay, so since they are parallel and we have a transversal line, the angle in front of here will be also the angle at the back of it when the lines are parallel. Remember, I'm considering this line and this one with the transversal line. I'm not considering this center one, only this and this. Okay, so since they are parallel and we have a transversal line that cut it, remember what I told you before, Z. Z, when I was explaining it, you can see now that it has formed letter Z when they are parallel. So that angle in front of here will be angle at the back of this place, okay? The reason alternate angle. Therefore, here is also 65 degrees. Reason alternate angle on a parallel lines, okay? How to get it when you know all these laws I've taught before. Watch the previous video. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you. Okay. Make sure you subscribe, follow, like the video, comment on that and share it to your friends. Thank you so much and God bless. Bye.